Dear children, I hope you are all fine. Last week we learned spelling words, book exercise and question answer. I hope you have learnt it. This week we are going to learn about matter and materials. Our needs have increased in the modern days and we use number of things in our daily life. We get some of them from the nature, that is from plants and animals. And some other things are manufactured artificially, man-made things, that is pen, ball, etc. The things we use like pen, pencil, ink, eraser, notebook, ball and the food you eat all have different nature and characters. They are obtained by transforming the natural and artificial substances. In this lesson, we will study about different things used in our life and how they are obtained. Let us learn states of matter one by one. What is matter? Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Do you know matter exists in three physical states? Yes, it is solid, liquid and gas. Matter is made up of molecules and the molecules are made up of atoms. Solid. The examples for solid are bricks, ball, marble, pen. In solids, molecules are very closely arranged. Solids are incompressible. They have definite shape, size and volume. Marble is round, brick is rectangle. So, they have definite shape, size and volume. Liquids. The examples of liquids are juice, water and milk. In liquids, molecules are loosely packed. Hence, liquids are negligibly compressible. Liquids have definite volume but no definite shape and size. They have the shape of the container. Gas. The examples of gases are nitrogen, oxygen, etc. In gases, molecules are very loosely packed. Hence, gases are highly compressible. Children, do you know gases are filled in the balloons, tires, etc.? Yes, it is filled. So far, you have learned the three states of matter, namely solid, liquid and gas. Next, we will learn about materials. What is materials? A material is a mixture of substances that constitute an object. They can be pure or impure, natural or man-made. Why do we need materials? Materials are needed to get the things needed for a daily life. What are the materials we need for a daily living? We need food, dress and many other goods for our daily living. Natural materials and man-made materials are transformed to produce these things. Next, we will learn about fibers. What is fiber? Fiber is a thin thread of natural or artificial substances. What is the use of fiber? Fiber is used to make clothes with the help of power looms or weaving machines. Fibers are classified into two types. They are natural fibers and artificial fibers. Where do we get natural fibers? The fibers we get from plants and animals are called natural fibers. Cotton, jute, coir, flax, hemp are examples for plant fibers. Wool and silk are examples for animal fibers. How are synthetic fibers made? Fibers made by humans by chemical synthesis are called synthetic fibers or artificial fibers. Rayon, nylon, acrylic and decron are examples for artificial fibers. These fibers are obtained from petroleum by complex chemical processes. Next, we will learn about natural fibers, cotton. What is a cotton plant? A cotton plant is a bushy plant of 5 to 6 feet high. Where do cotton grow? Cotton grows well in black soil and alluvial soil. What do cotton plant bears? The cotton plant bears a large number of small green parts called cotton balls. What do cotton balls contain? The cotton balls contain seeds covered with white fibers. What happens when cotton ball mature? When the cotton balls mature, they burst, exposing the white fiber of cotton. Cotton is usually hand-picked from the plants. Next, we will learn about ginning. How many processes are there to make cotton yarn from cotton fibers? There are 2 processes to make cotton yarn from cotton fiber. What is ginning? The raw fibers are separated from the seeds by a process known as ginning. What is lind? The fibrous material left after separating cotton seeds is called lind. What is combing? The final proportions of short fibers and other impurities are removed by the process of combing. Next, we learn about spinning. What is spinning? The process of making yarn from lint is called spinning. Spinning is done on a large scale with the help of spinning machines. The meaning of yarn is spun thread. Next, we shall learn how yarn is converted to fabrics. Weaving and knitting are the 2 most important processes used for making fabric from the yarn. What is weaving? The process of making 2 sets of yarns together to make fabric is called weaving. It is done by weavers on a machine called loom. The loom are either hand operated looms or power operated. During knitting, a single yarn is used to make a piece of fabric. It is done by hand and also on machine. Next, we will learn about uses of cotton. Cotton is used to manufacture cotton textiles and garments. Cotton is used as fillers in pillows and mattresses. Cotton is used for making surgical bandages. Cotton is used for making dhotis, saris, bed sheets, tablecloth and so on. Next, we'll learn about jute. Where do we get jute fiber? Jute fiber is obtained from the stem of the jute plant. Why jute plant is referred to golden fiber? Jute plant has long, soft and shiny fibers. It is also referred to as the golden fiber due to its color and cost of effectiveness. How are jute fiber separated? Jute fibers are separated from the process of retting jute by hand and then they are dried. These are converted into yarns in the same manner as in the case of cotton. Uses of jute. Jute is used for making bags, carpets, curtains and ropes. Jute is used for making clothes, for wrapping balls of raw cotton and to make sacks for storing grains. Jute is used for making wall hangings for decoration. Next, we'll learn about coir. From where do we get coir fiber? Coir fiber is obtained from the outer covering of coconut. It is used to make floor mats, doormats, brushes and mattresses. Next, we'll learn about synthetic fibers or man-made fibers. How are synthetic fibers made? Synthetic fibers are made by human beings with the help of chemical process. Hence, they are called synthetic fibers or man-made fibers. Synthetic fibers are obtained from coal, petroleum and natural gas. Now we shall see synthetic fiber and its sources. Rayon is obtained from wood pulp. Nylon is obtained from silk and wool. Polyester is obtained from petroleum products. Acrylic is obtained from wool products. Uses of synthetic fibers. Rayon is used to make rope, cap, tire, cords and carpets. Nylon is used to make fishing nets, ropes, parachutes, fabrics and bristles for brushes. Polyester is used to make fabrics for coat and shirts, conveyor belts, films, PET bottles and wires. Acrylic is used to make sweaters, shawls and blankets. For homework, you have to write activity 1 and 2. Thank you, children.